Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to show a really useful PCB layout tip, how to set different hole size for multi-layer pad. This lets your pad have a different drill size on the top layer, inner layer, and bottom layer, which is great for more precise designs. First, in the PCB editor, select the part you want to modify, then in the Properties panel on the right, find the size option. By default, the pad size is set to common, meaning the top end and the bottom layer holes are all the same. If you want to set them individually, choose Custom. Once checked, you'll see separate option for the top layer, inner layer, and bottom layer. Here, you can adjust the shape and the diameter for each layer independently. The shape can be circular, or you can choose other shapes as needed. This way, you can precisely control the hole for multi-layer pad, making sure each layer meets your design requirements, and it also helps with routing and manufacturing later on. That's it for this video.